Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Take the 87 them off of the streets, or their enemies will. Take the gang members them off of the streets, or their enemies will. When the official justice system don't work, the unofficial one will. The unofficial one is the streets. I've been pushing this ad nauseum. Sudeen, you know she dead now, right? Well, our brother is now dead. Within a space of a few days, bodies are dropped. Because you think then they go kill Sudeen and somebody in the dead back? Never thought about it. When we go into that, we have 3 Patreon birthday shoutouts. Yes, 3. And by the way, I understand say people see all kind of vloggers and people make all kind of video. Right, take shots at the local YouTuber. It's fine, you don't have to send me them video then. Right. If I'm interested in what any of your favorite vloggers I'm have to say, I'm gonna check it out for myself. When my inbox get full up of them thing there, it make it harder for me to read actual messages that I'm interested in. Because I still have to go through look and say, what does that? Then by the time I catch up on some messages, I realize days pass. Right. So it's fine, you don't have to send me. I don't know if your favorite vlogger them wanna watch. A fool no favorite vlogger them in the mind. And you tune into these people. Right, not me. The same people that tell us that them know but every unpopular, unknown 87 of them don't know what them favorite artists do. But the same people that tell us that they make videos because them against the crime and them against and that, I tell us say, right, free such man. And you see that and nothing activate in your brain, you just keep saying, yeah, that's one of them things there. So it's fine, you're not full of me inbox. With your favorite vlogger them I say. First, Patreon birthday shout out. There are 3 of them. This one goes out to Epoxy. Long time Patreon squad member from February 2021. And even before that was a part of the movement. Right, Epoxy, big up yourself. Right. I don't have to say nothing more because you know me a reason. Regular. And the reason, I don't know, regular. So Epoxy, right. Big up yourself, more life. Hope you live to see 100 more. Next up we have Kane. Yeah man, happy birthday Kane. Kane. Right, not to be confused with Cain. Get to understand say Kane mama is a big fan of the movement. More time I share, update him and what go on. Right, mama say, you know, she said this go on, and I say, hold on, but I never say that. So you know, say it's serious. Certain topics drop and then the whole family discuss it afterwards and I say, no, so I never look on it. I saw it for go. Remember the family that watch the local YouTuber together, stays together. So big up Kane, right, and big up mama too. Speaking about mama, the 3rd Patreon shout out, this one goes out to Miss Lemonious. Yes, Miss Lemonious. Birthday wishes coming from your son Cardo. And get to understand, say the birthday was on the 18th. Right. But me say I know the inbox thing already. Well, Miss Lemonious, understand you're a big supporter. So Miss Lemonious, pick up yourself. Hope you had a great day. Happy belated. You don't know. You know your son retired, right? When you see me look at YouTuber and say look at YouTuber, shout out mama for me. But you don't know. Right? It mean the world to him. So Epoxy, Kane, and Miss Lemonious, big up on yourself. We can move into the video now. Take the 87s off the streets, take the gang members off the streets, or their enemies will. But I don't believe in real solutions. I don't want things make them feel good like, yeah, see, if we just give him this little program and make him some money, then the violence will stop. Ridiculous. To the culture set up. Man it go look work and make money just so that them can go buy some gun or pay somebody to kill back somebody. All them man left Iron Man them want settle the score. Remember? Mikey go to foreign and go turn Al Capone. Go make whole heap of money and send in our own. Somebody have to dead back, that is the culture. Somebody have to dead back. As long as the gangs remain, retaliation will happen. When gang members get killed, the person who killed them enemies them kneel down and pray for them get bail. The quote unquote humanitarian tell us say, oh, we do because want to go back in this. Them tell us say, oh, them love when time innocent get bail because like it's some kind of chance that chance them enemies kill them. If them did really love people so much and claim say them love 87 so much and wants, but them that's the Iran hold on upon him, hold on upon her. Safer behind bars. The same it was inevitable say Sudeen never dead. At the same it was inevitable say people may take part in a Sudeen's death would also meet the same end. Of course, Simple Simon, there's always anomalies. There's always the case of the 87 who, for one reason or another, right, those left badness and for whatever reason, right, nobody never trouble him. But me can tell you that them people, ask them, they will tell you they never ever get peace. Or if 15 years ago them bad, they never ever get peace. Them always a brace for something happen. Them always a brace for something happen. Man will tell us that them done bad years ago. Tell us that them always a brace for something happen. If them here want yang backfire, they're always expecting something. Official justice system, when it fail. Because you see, what you do, when man do murder and go back a road on the clap, yeah, free so and so, free so and so. And the streets no work pan appeal. The streets no wait pan privy council. So after Sudeen dead, man them retaliate. Right, shot one youth where they call 6 or something like so. That name has become so common now. Every man and then dog and them mosquito name 6. Well, the reports coming in at that Sudeen brother, who is also affiliated with the gang, gunman thing, 87 thing. Man then go spin the block, catch the youth on a bike in front of KFC and kill him. The route where the shooter take forgot to the youth to kill him, so word get back who do the shooting. Police then go look for man. Confrontation go on. End result, Sudeen brother dead. So in a short piece of time, brother and sister dead. So I have to go watch to see what happen. Because knowing how gangs operate, they might tell themselves that no count. Because the police kill him. So them never get to kill back the man. So them want to kill back somebody. So them want to say police force them. So I doubt they'll be satisfied. This 1452 and 5051 madness. I'm telling you, once the gangs them exist, the war not done. All they can get is a little lull in the battlefield. It's a little lull. They carry the war hot, I could have World War II. You go through periods when they shot the fire. That's what people interpret and say, see, the programs that we put in place are working. Them time the gangs are arm up. Gangs are get funding. You see right now, Spanish Town, termite them, Tickman them, your arms Anytime you see gangs that big, go upon a period of quietness, at them time they get worried. New gonna come in, new funding avenues, new 87s. Right. So when people tell me say this division have a 13% drop in murder and this, that's fine. But unless I go show me say arrest and convict 130 youth or 130 87 dead off, it's temporary. That's Sudeen brother playing screen right this. Now I'm sure the culture change. Not about Jamaican culture. Some of you might not be old enough to remember when Jamaica had a slightly different culture. The culture has been fading away for a while, but I remember when it was different. When time some of the picture them other youth had drop on social media and start growing the place then. The various pages and things. I always like this stuff in the comment section. Let me tell you something, youth. It seems to learn the hard way, The culture has been eroded. That's serious on one rock. Everything is in reverse. See, only use the one time in time a youth like this would be considered a quote-unquote cruff. That a whole time sitting. Them youth nowadays, this right now, this the girl them love. Me hate for break it to you. Right, I'm sorry to break it to you. I wish I can only tell you what it is, not what I want it to be. You see that swagger where Sudeen brother a beat? This make enough. I'm not about 1% and 2%. Obviously it's not all. I can't even go as far as to say majority. Right? But me can tell you say enough. This swag writer so make enough. Jamaican woman draws turning a air Jamaica. Soaring to new heights. Lift up and fly away. That swag where you see. This look. Long time I tell the man himself to find a Maybelline and stop trying to save kerosene, you know. This look right here, so this is now what it means to be cool, and this the girl them love. No for the girl, and 1 or 2%. And don't make them tell you say, oh, that's the girl them from one of Marchpenwood, and the girl them from one of Larris, and the girl them from one of Jungle. Lie. All uptown Kerry. She see Sudeen brother beat that swagger. She see JJ Nakisa beat that swagger. Our G-string turning a ear Jamaica. Our bingo turning a Spirit Airlines. Lift up. Gone. And him now have to spend no money upon her. Now, see, what I'm telling you is that you need to make 6 figures and do this and do that. That after one time Kerry reach up in her age. But when she's in the prime of her beauty, that's the thing, man. Kerry will go as far as to go work to mine a youth like this. Everything is reversed in an acidic culture. Man start do what woman normally do, and woman start do what man normally do. This is why you find that the Jamaican male has become very feminine. Them talk like woman and sound like how woman used to sound. Oh, him do this to me and him give me this, and that's what woman used to talk. Now the woman them now start talking about the money. You know the woman must say, oh, me a go getter, me a boss, and me a control this, and me a runner. So now everything turn upside down. She gone on a ATL, she gone on a Sagic course, she gone on a NCB, she gone on a Grace Kennedy, and she carry the food come give and take it go buy some shot for your friend them. Man, the most he might do is wake up 9 man and walk or go bus stop. And then she gonna talk to him, say, alright, have a great day at work, and then go back in bed, go sleep. That's the thing, man. Kerry will mine them youth. Stop lying to yourself about 6 figures and all that. Not Kerry. And right now, Kerry has spread them more than Big C in Jamaica. See, what happened is, enough man don't want to face the truth because it's hard to swallow, right? It's a hard pill to swallow. Enough man who, especially them educated or them have certain, them carry themselves a certain way, them see you like this and them say, oh, no woman don't want him. No woman don't want him. That's not true, bro. And when time them know I try to look at woman, when them I try to look Kerry, I must say enough Kerry look good enough. Enough Kerry attractive. I must say Kerry, right, there's no geographical restriction from where Kerry come from. So he might see a girl and him pull up on her the theme nice guy thing. And Kerry don't want to hear that. Kerry I tell him about him have to carry up on 17.5 dates for him get a hug. So now him see Kerry in one corner with somebody like this, and now him say, oh, how come, what should I do that you like him then? And him at 87, so now him start tell himself, oh, I true she afraid of him, bro. Me I said, she not afraid of him, bro. She not afraid of him. Him not threaten her. He not want to rape her. On top of how good as she look him. I know it's hard for him to accept. Especially when time the girl look a certain way. Especially when time the girl have all a uptown image. Cause you know say enough Jamaican man frightened if they look uptown image look there, you know. Especially if the girl look like Leah Tavares Vincent. And I said, no man, girl like she, what she a do with him? No man, I must threaten the boy, dog, pa, threaten to kill our dog. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Okay, with worse, them say the girl have a long hair and her complexion go to high like this guy. Him say, what she a do with it? Yo, what you man kill her, that's why no, sir. The only thing him kill her with is back shot. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, take cover. That's not ammunition. That's not ammunition of fire. That's not grains of fire. Back shot. That gunshot. Sorry for break it to you know. Be educated and be logical and disciplined Them thing they might work in Uzbekistan, but not Irie, man. Rajic and them it there. JJ Nakis and them it there. Hadjis and them it there. James Hines and them it there. And them get the hottest girl in my Spanish town. Enough young youth, especially Jamaican youths who in a school, from high school them start figure out sorority that this I say culture there. We don't want them conversation they quite uncomfortable. We want the simpleton conversation, which is I just choose all the money on Jamaica, one of the poorest country in the world, so I choose poverty, and the poverty go down, then the crime would stop. Alright, brother. I'm not the expert, not me. I'm still looking you through, man. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.